Hey there, Heidi Cooper here, functional medicine practitioner, licensed esthetician from Skin Side Out. Today I wanted to hop on real quick and give you guys 3 tips to help you with your intermittent fasting, help you get more benefits from your intermittent fasting, and help you go a little bit longer if you've been on the struggle bus and you're wanting to go a little bit longer with your intermittent fasting. So number 1 is we always want to make sure that we're not working with anything caloric, any caloric intake, but we can work with things like coffee that's organic coffee, mycotoxin-free coffee, or green tea and organic green tea, unsweetened, both of those, because the caffeine and the polyphenols in both of those actually help facilitate some of the benefits that we get from the fasting. So if you're struggling, say you're at 12 hours and you're trying to go a little bit longer with your intermittent fasting, if you work with some black coffee or some green tea, unsweetened green tea, it will help promote some of the benefits that you get from fasting and help you go a little bit longer. I know if I'm struggling some days, just having some of that green tea, unsweetened green tea, really can be very, very helpful for me to get me to go a little bit longer with my fasting. So that's number 1. Number 2 is to, when you are in your eating window, to start lowering your carbohydrate intake. So if you're over 100 grams of carbohydrates per day, I would really recommend trying to get under that. And if you're already at 100 grams of carbohydrates a day, trying to get below 50 would be phenomenal. And you could use some of those trackers like the MyFitnessPal. I know that there are other ones out there that people use that can be very helpful. But starting to lower that carbohydrate intake and make sure that the carbohydrates that you are getting are from non-starchy vegetables would be a great place to start with that. And how that works is you count, when you're counting your carbohydrates, make sure that you're counting your net carbs. So if you're taking the carbohydrate amount and you're subtracting the fiber, that's what gives you your net carb amount. So making sure that that's under 100, and if possible, try to get that under 50, and just kind of experiment and see if that helps a little bit as well. And then number 3 would be to increase your healthy fat intake. So something that we're trying to do with some of the intermittent fasting is switching the body to using fat for the fuel source. So if we're incorporating more healthy fats into the diet, that can be very helpful during that eating window as well. So something that I'll do often to prolong some of the benefits of my intermittent fast would be to break my fast with a fat. So that could be an avocado, it could be some nut butter, something like that, some ghee. Some sort of fat will help prolong some of the benefits that you're getting from the intermittent fasting. So you're still breaking the fast, but you're still maybe prolonging some of the benefits that you would get from the fast, and you're getting the body to start switching over to fat for the fuel source. So incorporating more of those healthy fats to break the fast, and then as well during your eating window also. But want to make sure that they're healthy fats, like I said. And I'm going to come up with an infographic here sometime soon to kind of show you what some of those healthy fats look like. But like I said, you could do avocado, nut butter, nuts, something like that is a great option for some of those healthy fats to start incorporating more of those. So 3 real simple, easy tips that if you're on the struggle bus with the intermittent fasting, it'll help you go from, say you're at 12 hours, let's try to get you to 13 to 15 to 17 to 18, and then maybe at one point at 1 meal a day, an OMAD, where you've got a 24-hour fast going on periodically, can be very beneficial to the body, and very many benefits to working with that. I've done some other videos on that to share some of those benefits as well. So hope that was some helpful information for you. If it was, please like and share this video. If you've got any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out. Health and happiness. Have a super fantastic day. Thanks so much.